Welcome to Project Generational Wealth. Today we're going to talk about how to execute a trade strategy when you receive an alert in the NFX application. So in front of you, you will see the NFX application on your left-hand side, and we're going to execute a trade using Binarycent. Now you can use any trade you would like to or any application to execute the trade you would like to, but in this particular example, we're going to execute the trade using Binarycent. So the particular trade that we're going to go over in this example is going to be the euro versus the Great Britain pound. So the first thing you're going to do, of course, is to identify the pair as you see here, and we're going to enter the pair into the trading platform. In this particular case, it is Binarycent. So we're going to hit the magnifying glass and we're going to type in euro, EUR, Great Britain pound, GBP, and we're going to select that pair. After we select that pair, of course, the chart will appear. And because we're doing options, we're not doing the standard currency pair. We're going to leave it in the line format that you see in front of you. The candles are harder to read since we're going to do short-term trades. So next, you're going to identify the entry price. In this example, the recommended entry price, if you choose to execute this strategy, is 0.83383. So you're going to look at the Binarycent app and you're going to look at the current trading price. The current trading price is identified by the line that is moving up and down, but it is also in a stationary format between the call and the put button. So here we can see that the recommended price is at 0.83604, which is higher than the recommended entry price. Next, after you identify the entry price, you're going to look at the entry time or the expiration time. So the expiration time here in this example is 5 minutes. So you're going to go to Binarycent and you're going to go to time, and then you're going to select 5 minutes from the drop down. So all of our trades will be between 1 to 5 minutes. Most of the time you will see a recommended strategy trade of 3 to 5 minutes. It's very rare that you see a 1 minute trade, but here in this particular example, we see that the recommended time is 5 minutes. So we're going to put the time at 5 minutes. The option type, this is a type of trade time frame that you want to take. We're going to leave it in turbo because turbo represents a trade expiration time from 1 to 30 minutes. And so most of our trades, all of our trades in the NFX app, if we choose to execute them, will be between 1 and 30 minutes. They will not be intraday or long-term trades. So after you ensure that your time is correct, you're going to determine how much money you want to place into the trade. So I always recommend starting off with $1, and so that gives you time to get used to the application. You can try a couple of trades, and if you enter at the incorrect price, then you're not really feeling the impact of a dollar. But for every dollar with this particular pair, the Euro Great Britain pound, you will receive a 75-cent profit. Now, each pair represents a different profit amount. It all depends on the broker you use to execute the trade. In this particular situation, Binarycent gives you 75 cents per dollar, but other platforms may give you different profit amounts based off of their payout for that currency. Now, the payout again will change per currency pair. Some currency pairs have a higher profit rate while some of them have a lower profit rate. So like I said, you enter the amount you want to trade in the amount field here. And then based off of the amount, it will give you your profit. And then you will pretty much wait until the recommended price is where the entry amount is. and then you would hit the corresponding button. So if this particular line is green, so you know that you're going to buy, which is a call. If it was red, as in this example here, you would hit the red button, meaning that this is a sell, so you're going to sell it. So in this situation, I am, even though the price is not where we want it to be, I am just going to enter in a call for 5 minutes just so that you can see what it looks like to enter a trade. So as soon as I put in a call, it was marked by my uh, a green triangle showing up because that's why I entered in my amount. And it also gives you a line. And so you can see that the price is trading below my entry price, right? And so right now I would be, if the play ended, I would lose the play because my price is here, my entry price is here, but the price is trading below it. So when you place a call, the price has to end at the end of your 5 minutes. It has to be above your entry price in order for you to win the trade. If the price is a fraction of a penny below your entry price at the end of the trade, then you will if it's a fraction of the price below, you will lose the trade. If it's a fraction of a penny above, you will win the trade. So here, as you can see now that the price right now is above my entry level. So if my time ran out, if my 5 minutes ran out right now, I would win 75 cents, right? So right now we're just waiting for the trade to end to determine if I would win or lose. And then you will get at the end of the trade, you will get a little box to tell you if you had a profit, etc., to see if you won or lost the trade. Again, the if you did a call or if you hit the green button, as long as the price is any amount above where you enter that, you will win the trade. If it's anywhere below, you will lose the trade. So in this situation, you would just be waiting for your trade to end to see if you won or lost it. And then the system will tell you if you won or lost the trade at the end of the trade. But you can also determine if you won or lost the trade by going to your status. So if you go to your status, and right now we're looking at open trades here, which is the open trade that I just entered for the example here. But if I wanted to see if I took any additional trades that closed, if I won or lost them, you can see that today I took a the same exact trade. See the payout here. So it's $1.75. And so my order size or my entry amount was $1, and then my payout was $1.75 because I won that particular trade. So that will also allow you to see, if you missed the box or you missed the trade ending, you can always go to your closed trades to see if you won or lost. So that's it. So I hope everybody has fun and enjoy the NFX app. It's a very quick way to make some money, and I hope to see y'all in the green in the future. Have a good one. Bye bye.